Welcome to the Flow Tracy Monday Audio Commentary. This is Owen Tracy recording. It's 3:36 p.m. that is Central Time, and today is February 4th. Well, today we had quite a bit of volatility in the technology sector, and a lot of it is down to uncertainty about the outlook for AI and the leadership within it. And then there's the additional questions about the impacts of artificial intelligence on the technology sector itself. And that, of course, is one of the primary reasons for thinking about technological deflationary pressures as well. So it's certainly lending some support to this whole question about disintermediation. And back in the 1990s, disintermediation was really about streamlining supply chains and cutting out the number of hands that a good had to pass through before it ended up at the consumer. And the big beneficiaries of that were companies like Amazon. So then lots of small companies along the way, whether that was importers or the wholesalers, the individual retailers, they all sort of disappeared. And Amazon became the warehouse of choice and then took over shipping on its own. Well, how does that apply to the technology sector is a question that's going to be explored over the course of the next several months and even years. Then, on top of that, we have the uncertainty around Kevin Warsh and exactly what does he stand for, what's he likely to do, and whether there will be a Warsh put in the same way that there was a Powell put, a Yellen put, a Bernanke put, and a Greenspan put. So these are also significant questions. And considering the fact that Jerome Powell will still be in power, or at least chairman of the Federal Reserve until the middle of May, there's quite a lot of consideration to go into that question over the course of the next 3 or 4 months. So plenty of time for the market to assess these questions. Then oil prices were positive today, and gold, which has been rebounding from the low put in Friday, is a little softer in here today. Silver was in positive territory, but not quite as much as it had been. Oil prices were firmer. And then the Japanese yen weakened and extended its downtrend in here today. So having strengthened into the middle of last week, it's been weakening now for the last several days. That's helping to support the Nikkei in nominal terms.